accesses the learning modules inside Writer's Toolbox. Here, you'll find over 120 learning modules covering every aspect of writing, from how to use commas, to different sentence styles, to paragraphing, tips on editing, even referencing. The module architecture is built across 4 levels: the basics, developing, proficient, and advanced. Each level progressively more difficult and offering more sophisticated writing techniques. All of the modules are built the same way. There is a video you can play on the topic. Information on the particular subject being taught. A downloadable PDF with activities and a question set testing your knowledge. In addition, all the sentence modules contain reading comprehension tasks, with questions that test both your knowledge of the story presented, as well as targeted questions on the particular sentence style or writing technique being taught. Students can watch the module videos and undertake the quizzes and activities as many times as they like, as they work to better their scores and improve their writing knowledge. When you're done, the Home button returns you to the main dashboard.